Music Maze! Hello, Mrs. Wallet here. For our task on entry activity today, I have got some questions for you. So firstly, in the James Bond leitmotif that you can see on screen, what notes are used? Which note moves? What are two or more notes played together at the same time called? And how do you find a sharp on the keyboards? Pause this video now and think or discuss. Time for some answers. So I'm actually going to start with question 3. What are two or more notes played at the same time on the keyboard called? And that is called a chord. It's also when we play two or more notes together at the same time on any instrument. Which note moves? I'm hoping you can see that is the top note. The bottom two notes stay the same. The notes that are used are an E and a G in every single chord. And then that top note starts off as a B, moves to a C, moves to a C sharp, and then back to a C again. How do you find a sharp on the keyboards? So you find a note of the same name and you go up to the nearest black key. So if you're looking for a C sharp, have a look where the two black keys are together to find the C and go up to that nearest black key.
The James Bond leitmotif is made up of just 3 chords. For your first chord, you need to find an E. So if we find 2 black keys together and go just to the right of that, that's an E. And then if we miss one, play one, miss one, play one, they're the notes that we need for the first chord. For our next chord, we just need to slide our thumb up one note to a C. And for our final chord, your bottom 2 notes still stay the same. We slide our thumb up to a C sharp, so it's the first black key in a set of 2. And then back down to that C. And then you go from the beginning and repeat. Once you've had a go at that on the piano setting and you can play it, it will be interesting to experiment with some timbres. So I am going to go now for a string voice. So I'm going to press voice on my keyboard and I am going to press on my keyboard, strings is voice number 49, but it may be different on your keyboard and you're very welcome to experiment with different timbres. Let's have a go at a different voice, maybe a brass voice. No, I like that less than the string voice, so this is why it's important to experiment. I'm going to try again a different voice. This one says trombone section. Now, I don't like that one as much as the strings, but I like it better than I like the trumpet.
Just before you have a practice, I would like to show you a repeat sign. So if you notice at the start of the music after the treble clef, you've got 2 lines and 2 dots. And at the end of the line, we have the 2 lines and 2 dots, but the other way round. When you get to that one at the end, that tells you to go back to the beginning and have another go. So we play that line more than once. It repeats like an ostinato. Pause this video now and have a go.
The next thing we're going to have a go is James Bond Theme 1. Most of Theme 1 is just 3 notes. So the notes you'll need is an E, so 2 black keys together. The one just to the right is an E. An F sharp. So for an F sharp, we find an F and we go up to the nearest black key. And a G. And it goes 1 E. And then quite a few F sharps. So 4 of them in this rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put that together. And then it's got 4 E's. And then we've got another 4, but this time G's instead of F sharps. And then it does 3 F sharps after those G's. And that's it. Then repeat.
Pause this video now and have a practice of line 1.
And then at the very end, you need to go up to a D sharp. So to go up to a D sharp, there is one just here. But if you look at your music, you'll notice the note jumps upwards. So we need to find 2 black keys together that's higher than the notes we've just been playing. And the note, the white key in the middle is a D. Our D sharp is the black key just above it. And it goes D sharp, D. And then B, A, B. So 3 black keys together. This is your B. So I'm going to try just that bit on its own. And again. I'm going to put it together with the start.
Pause this video now while you have a go at line 2, and when you've got line 2 you can put it together with line 1.
Now let's put that together with our leitmotif that we played earlier. I'm going to go back to strings, I think.
So that's all from me today. Don't forget to click like and subscribe at the bottom of this video, and I'll see you again soon for another Music Miss. Music Miss!